Hello viewers, you're watching APN Northeast News. This is Atiza Kaina. Let's take a look at our news update from Manipur. Boosting the medical oxygen infrastructure in the state, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Monday inaugurated pressure wind absorption oxygen plants in three hill districts of Manipur at Chandel, Senapati and Ukhrul. Addressing the public at Chandel District Hospital, the Chief Minister said that the government would install oxygen plants in all the districts of the state, adding that each of the PSA plants inaugurated at Chandel, Senapati and Ukhrul districts would produce 1,000 liters of oxygen per minute and around 200 D-type oxygen cylinders could be refilled daily at each PSA plant. Later, the Chief Minister along with Minister for Education S. Ranjan Singh, Minister for Tribal Affairs and Hills Gunjangin Valve, officials among others went to Ukhrul and Senapati and dedicated the PSA oxygen plants to the peoples. During his visit to the districts concerning the COVID-19 situation in the state, the Chief Minister urged people to overcome vaccine hesitancy and asked all eligible persons to get vaccinated as soon as possible. He maintained that early detection and timely treatment will save precious lives from the dreaded disease. He also urged the people to not believe in myths, rumors and misinformation on COVID-19 and its vaccine. After the recent farmers' protest rally over the non-availability of urea fertilizers, continuous efforts have been going on for massive distribution of fertilizers to farmers in the state. The Agriculture Department today distributed urea fertilizers to the farmers in different assembly constituencies of the state. On Monday, Agriculture Minister Oinam Lukhwai Singh distributed the fertilizers to the farmers of Kumbi assembly constituencies in Bishnupur district and expressed that the government fully acknowledged the concerns and grievances of farmers and their demands to receive the fertilizers during this Kharif season. State PHE Minister Lo Sideko along with engineers reviewed the work of water supply project sites in Senapati district on Monday. The minister visited the different locations including near BSNL office, Zaikari Colony, Afil Saleki, District Hospital Senapati, Maralond Colony among others. During his visits, the minister assured to complete the project soon by the end of this year despite the difficulties and delayed works due to the pandemic. He also instructed the PHED officials to speed up the ongoing works to avail water supply to every colony and households. And on COVID-19 update, Manipur on Monday reported 467 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the cumulative number to 104,791, while with 7 more fatalities, the death toll mounted to 1,657. With 1,405 new recoveries, the total number of recovered cases was 96,128. The state now has 7,006 COVID-19 active cases. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.